Yep. Alright, so here's today's journey, job thing. I'm going to be making another addition to my little stilt here, which is to say I'm going to take this 4x4, 6x4, whatever it is, this thing, and I'm going to be putting it across that way, under this side and the other side, really, so I can get to the undercarriage of the trunk and that kind of stuff. There's a couple spots I have not gotten to because of that thing, and that's that. So, oh god, my cat's gonna drive me crazy, I swear to god. So that'll take me 20 minutes, maybe 15, and we'll go from there. Yep. And there we go. What would you call this? A stilt? I don't know. Scaffold. I've got it nice and secure to the rest of the thing. I kind of forgot about something. I've got some massive washers that I had that held on these things, that held it to the prior scaffold. So I'm going to do some rework. Fuck. Or I'll just use they're over there, the washers, and god damn it, both sides. Oh well, it'll be easy to overcome actually, especially with the epoxy primer I've got. So here's what I've got. I've got some. That's not rust. That's actually red paint. I've got that area there to do. I've got a little bit in the bowl, a little bit of rework I did on that, what do you call it, that repair, all of this stuff, the under portion of the apron there, and the other side as well. I'm going to epoxy that, let it cure for a little while, and then I'm going to use, what do you call it, god damn it, what's the name of that stuff? Frame paint. Same stuff I used on there on my chassis. And then at some point after that, I'll use undercoating and make it nice and you know, really nice at some point. Yep. Ugh. So the epoxy priming of my underside is done. This ugly result is the result of ugly. I had some stuff on there that some repairs I'd done, and I didn't smooth it out. So, like, I give a crap. The next coating on this is going to be the frame paint, and then that rubberized undercoating I bought from Eastwood. You'll see it in a different video. All that looks pretty good. No issues there. That's tape, by the way. And that orange glow is my space heater. This thing puts out a ton of heat, and I'd very much like to get this stuff cured by tomorrow morning, so that when I get up, I've got a nice cured surface, at least semi-cured surface, to put the frame paint on. So, yep. Tomorrow is the American Veterans Day, November 11th, and I usually take that day off, being a veteran myself. But I really, really want to finish this damn thing up, so I can get into actually not frame paint, body paint. Body priming. This has worked out really well. My little scaffold there. I'm gonna do something. I don't know. I'm gonna shorten this entire frame, I think, so that this is down, shortened, and so that I can, I don't know, I may just leave this here for now, just because when it gets down to this level, back up into here, it'll be down to a level where I can get to it. I don't know. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Oh, there we go. Oh, enough for now. And what you're looking at is 3, and there's my compressor, 3 good wet coats of that urethane chassis paint. Did a little bit in here, did a little bit in there. I did just 2 coats on the interior, but underneath, on both sides, and in the triangle, etc., etc., I've got 3 good coats, as well as the undercarriage, 3 good coats, and my space heater again. And again, I'm not too awfully concerned about appearance. Everything that you see here is going to be undercoated in about 5 days when this stuff cures totally with special made shit. Yeah, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. This urethane, this 2K stuff, this ceramic crap for frames is freaking awesome. Painted my frame with it, and it's indestructible. I think. Jeez. It's already getting there to be dry. Yeah, nothing. Wow. That was about 10 minutes ago I finished up. My paint gun is done, cleaned. This is nice, and yeah, I'm really impressed. I like this stuff a lot. What I'm using, this stuff. TK ceramic chassis black. Yep, good stuff. Very good stuff. Unfortunately, though, one of these does not go all the way to taking out the entire can. So I don't know if it's been a little bit less or a little bit more on the other or what, but I was very scrupulous about my mixing ratios, and there's not enough of the activator to go with the paint. So who knows? Who cares?